Okay, we're going to do an install of VibeUE. So the first thing I'm going to do, the games launcher. I'm going to launch 561. We're going to go to games. We're going to do the third person. I'm going to do Blueprint, but C++ should work the same way. I mostly do C++, but this is a Blueprint tool, so we'll do that. We're going to call it demo setup. Create it, a repo in my case. While that's going, I'm going to go to Chrome. A different window over here. We're going to go to VibeUE. We're going to go to GitHub. We're going to get the master branch or the dev one, whichever one you want. Copy this. Close this version of VSCode. All right, this is installed. So I'm going to close this. Go to VSCode. I'm going to open a folder. And we go to E, Repo, Demo Setup, where I just installed it. And I'm going to make a new folder. Plugins. I'm going to open demo setup. All right, so we're in demo setup, not in the plugins folder. We're going to go to our terminal, cd plugins. Git clone. All right, so we call that into our plugins directory. So now we have this VibeUE. MCP inspector install is there to help you look at the MCP. There's also this README. But now we want to run this. Now I'm going to go back out to here. Explorer. E. Repo again. Demo D setup. Now, I think you might get an error the first time. I'm just going to launch game. All right, needs to build. Yes. And sit. I don't know if it's doing anything. There it goes. So I got this error, right? Then I just do it again. And that time it built. Some reason you gotta do it twice. I don't know if that's an Unreal bug with this version or what. It might be because I originally built in 5.6 and this is in 5.6.1. I don't know. All right, so everything built. I'm gonna quit this. All right, so now we want the engine editor, right? So I just double click demo setup. And let's go back out to VibeUE because it should have the instructions. So you need this. Copy. All right. Let's go here. And we need a new. Okay, so we don't need all these, right? Built-in's good. Let's get rid of all this. Microsoft always wants me to install things. So now we're down to there. Okay. Just gonna tell VSCode. Right. I think I can go here. We need a folder called .vscode and then another subfolder. Uh, there we go. With an mcp.json. Okay. So I had it vibe code it, but that's all it did. Take it what's on the website. Boom. Save it. You got to save it. Then you get the start button. Start. Running. 35 tools, right? Tool count changes. So I'm constantly upgrading it. You might get a Python error in this output or something, or the debug terminal when you try to run it. What we're running, it's in how this works is there's the C++ code plugin compiled inside of VibeUE. There's a Python folder, which is like the layer that the MCP runs in Python that calls the C++. So in this Python VibeUE plugin, all right, VibeUE main. Um, there's a command. So there's another Python folder, not too confusing. And then there's VibeUE server.py. So that's what it's running. There should be this requirements.txt, which should have everything you need to install for Python. I think it's like a pip. If you would go to this folder, pip/install requirements or something like that. If not, just keep asking this thing for guidance. Anyway, it's running. So now we're gonna look at it, and we're gonna say, I'll just do it. I won't even look. I'll just make a new chat folder. You can continue. All right, so ready? In our chat window, we're gonna say, tell me about our player blueprint. See what this does. So it searches for items, found a player controller blueprint. Let me also search for character blueprints, player blueprints, are often character classes, yada, yada, yada. It's getting blueprint info. You can see it's connected to Unreal Engine and it's reading, right? It searched items. It got back stuff with the word player, third person player. Third person player is what we're really looking for. But that's just set up. So I'm gonna keep the video short and stick to that. If it's doing this, you're working. Thanks for trying my code.